Happy New Year, ladies and gents. This is Mark from Inside the Magic California, and as we close out 2022, there is so much that we have to look back on. But like any other guest that can't get enough of Disneyland, you're probably thinking, what's next? Today, I'm going to go over 5 things that you should get excited for Disneyland in 2023. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. Number 5, Platinum Decorations. This year, Disney will be celebrating their 100th year anniversary. That's right, you heard it, 100 years. The Platinum Anniversary. In honor of this year, they will be changing the decor of the park as well as their character costumes. Now, I am very excited to see what the costumes are going to look like on the characters, especially if they're Platinum themed. Number 4, Castle Makeover. With the Platinum Anniversary also comes the Sleeping Beauty Castle getting a complete and total makeover as well. Now, according to Disney, there's going to be some platinum banners and 2 waterfalls on the side of the castle, a wishing star at the top, and lots of pixie dust coming from the 3 good fairies. I cannot wait to see what this looks like. Number 3, Magic Happens returns. Everyone was pretty bummed out to see that Disneyland's brand new parade had to be shelved due to the pandemic, but now it's about to make its triumphant return in 2023. This parade celebrates some of the most exciting moments from Disney stories, and surely is going to be a highlight of the year. Number 2, reopening of Mickey's Toontown. This reopening is set to be one of the most exciting things for Disneyland in 2023. Now, it closed down back in March of 22. Now, even though it's officially set to open in spring of 23, fans may actually be able to get a taste with the new Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway attraction, being open as early as late January when the anniversary celebration kicks off. Number 1, the new nighttime shows. Both Disneyland and California Adventure are getting brand new nighttime spectaculars to celebrate the 100th anniversary. Now, World of Color in DCA will be aimed at celebrating the storytelling legacy of Walt Disney. Now, Disneyland will have A Wondrous Journey, and that's going to be aimed at immersing fans in storytelling, music, and artistry of every Walt Disney Animation Studios film. Now, the new nighttime spectacular will also include occasional fireworks and projections that will create unique characters all over the park. There you have it, folks, 5 things that you should all be excited for at Disneyland in 2023. Now, if you have a favorite of your own or want to discuss the 5 that you saw today, leave a comment down below. As always, be sure to like and subscribe for any and all things Inside the Magic. I'm Mark from Inside the Magic California. Happy New Year, everyone!